Do you want to make your editing better so more people will watch your videos and maybe become famous on YouTube? If so, make sure you watch this entire video. Because I guarantee it will change your editing style and you'll get more viewers just like that. Hey y'all, it's Megan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more YouTube related content and vlogs. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for watching my videos again. Also, give this video a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel and it's free, so why not just hit that like button? It takes like 2 seconds. And today's video is going to be how you can use green screens to up your editing game, and it's absolutely free, so why not watch this video and figure out how you can use green screens to make your videos more aesthetically pleasing. So to start this video, I want to show you 2 clips, and the first clip is an unedited video of me making coffee. The second video is going to be the same clip, but I'm going to do some editing and apply a green screen overlay to make the video more aesthetically pleasing. So here is the first clip. That was pretty boring, right? Well, here it is, edited and with a green screen overlay. That was so much better, right? I think so too, and I am going to teach you how to do this. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's go to my filming spot so we can get started on today's video. Let's go. Yeah. Okay guys, so I am going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get green screens for your videos for free. So let's get started. I am just going to minimize the screen and walk you through the screen recording that I made on how to get green screens. So first you want to go to YouTube and then you want to search green screen. You can search anything you want to, from days of the week to the subscribe button green screen, and then find the video that matches your aesthetic that you are going for, and you want to go ahead and copy the link to the video. Once you copy the link to the video, you want to Google search YouTube to MP4, and this top link is the one that I always use and it has never let me down, so I still use this one. So I highly recommend that you actually use this link as well, and I will have it down in the description bar. But once you click on that, make sure you hit the MP4 button at the bottom, because if not, it'll automatically load it as an MP3 and you'll just get the sound of the video. So once you paste the link into the bar, you want to hit the go button, and then you want to download this to your computer and save the file. Once you save the file, you want to drag it into iMovie or whatever editing software that you may have. You just want to put it where you usually put your clips. That way you can cut out the parts that you don't want and keep the parts that you do want. And then you want to apply them as an overlay to your videos. And once you do that, make sure you go to options, and instead of cutaway, you want to hit blue/green screen. If you don't do this, then it will just cut away and it'll be like a random green screen in your video. So you want to make sure you hit blue/green screen. That way it applies it as an actual overlay. So make sure you do that. You can also make your own green screens, which is really cool. I actually made this green screen right here. I did this using Canva and it was so simple to do. You could do it too. And if you guys would like a video on that, I would be more than happy to show you how I made this green screen on my own, because it's super simple and it adds so much to your videos. So make sure you leave a comment down below if you want to see that video, and I will definitely make it for you guys because I'm here to help you. And that's what my channel is all about. So make sure y'all leave a comment down below. So I hope you learned from this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because I know you'll want to see more videos from me. I'm just trying to help y'all out and help y'all grow on YouTube. So if you want more advice, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, and you can also turn on the bell for post notifications. P.S. This is this week's shout out right here, and I just want to say, hey Charlotte, I hope you're doing well and your channel is amazing, so y'all go check out her channel. Also, I do have an Instagram, so follow me on Instagram right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.